Hey, it's Scott Brown with Connie and Dick's Service Center. It's Friday, May 1st. If you noticed my last video, you'll see that I've got a haircut. I want to thank my beautiful daughter, Megan, who's a hairstylist, for coming down and cutting my hair for me. Doing another walkthrough. Beautiful day here in Southern California. Just going to kind of walk through the back of the shop here and show you what's going on here. We are fortunate that we're still able to deliver some service. There's Steve. Hey, Steve. And take you in the back here and show you something that's pretty cool. You know, while we're busy working and or in between jobs, we've got the opportunity for some education. And so we've got a big screen here in our shop that we can use for self-instruction inside the shop, and also attending webinars. So a lot of our vendors that we normally attend training through, we've been unable to go to these clinics that we normally attend. So they have sprung into action and they're starting to deliver the training via webinar. So we're very, very fortunate to be able to take part in that, because we need to stay sharp and understand what it takes to repair these complex vehicles. And if you are in the area and you need service on your vehicle, we're here to help. Just give us a call, 909-626-5653, or visit us on the web. We can definitely take care of you. We're offering free pickup and delivery to minimize any face-to-face contact. We're taking all the precautions to make sure that we're all safe. And also would like to also let you know, we're in our 60th year this year. So 1960, Connie and Dick's was founded and has been in downtown Claremont since then. So if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below, and thanks for watching.